Hello guys, it's the Gentle Academy here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, I'm going to be taking us through how we are going to add a scroll back to the top button right here. Okay, so now we are not going to make use of any plugin, so we want to try as much as possible to minimize the usage of plugin, as we all know that too much plugins tend to slow down our website. Alright guys, follow me. So what you are going to be doing is you are going to click on this menu, okay, then you scroll to something like appearance, okay, then you click on this theme file editor, okay. Yes, so if this is your first time of visiting this place, you are going to see something like a warning, okay. Just click on I understand. So here what you are going to be doing, you will look for where they've written functions.php, okay. So I'm using a customized theme right here. As you can see, this is Astra, okay. So I customize this, but it still works the same way. So what you just need to do, if you also have something like child theme, you can edit the child theme, but if you don't want that, you can just use the same whatever you find here. So all what you just need to do is you look for where they've written something like function.php, okay. So you click on function.php. all right, so before you do this, please make sure you take a backup of a website. You can take a backup of a website before you do, such that when something gets wrong, you'll be able to fix it back. All right, so now what we need to do here, you just come to your function.php, just come to a new line, and maybe just create some lines, okay, so you can know where you paste your code. So what you just do, you paste that code, okay. So I'm going to leave this code down in the description below for you to be able to use it. All right, so now I'm going to hit on save, okay. I'm going to update this file. So as you can see, file edited successfully. So now let me visit the home page, okay. So now as you can see, this is the home page, okay. Yes, so now you can see, let me visit one of these pages. You can see this is our return to top button here. It's actually working, okay. So as you can see, it's not showing here. What you just need to do, if you have, you just purge all CSS, understand, or if you have an update somewhere, just do that. So what I just did here, I just purge all CSS. Maybe there's an update which you just need to do, just do that. So you are going to see your return back to the top button here, guys. So this is super easy. We don't really need too much plugin to do this. Some themes have this option while some do not. So if yours don't, please make use of this option. Just check down in the description below of this video, you are going to see the links. Okay guys, I'm going to try to make a content on how you are going to create an automated website, okay. So in the next video, you are going to be seeing this. Please, if you are new to my channel, you can click the subscribe button, and if you want to get more of our updates, you can try turn on the notification bell. All right guys, see you in the next one. Peace.